Craving something fancy? Then you have to give this homemade peri peri chicken a try. Perfectly grilled chicken, high on flavor, is sure to woo whomever you serve. I am making the homemade peri peri sauce, for which I have kept the ingredients ready. Please check the description section for the details and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes. I have this purple carrots. I'll be serving this along with the chicken by grating it. They will taste really amazing and crunchy as a side dish for the chicken. For the marinade, I'll be taking little amount of garlic, little amount of bay leaves, half of a red bell pepper. This gives a nice texture to the sauce. 2 bird-eye chilies. If you want it to be less spicy, you can deseed it. And I'll be using 1 bigger red chili. This is a little less on the spicier side. I have chopped all the ingredients. I'll be transferring it to a blender jar, adding a little amount of water and grinding it to a smooth paste. I'll also squeeze half a lime. Once the paste is ready, I'll add a little amount of cooking oil. Then to start marinating the chicken, first I'll add garlic powder, dried oregano, dried parsley, a little amount of paprika powder, a tiny bit of sugar, and salt as per taste. Then I'll be adding the prepared marinade. If you want, you can prepare this marinade in excess, simmer it, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for a couple of days. I'll massage all the ingredients thoroughly on the chicken. I am using the whole thigh pieces. I'll allow the chicken to get marinated for at least 5 to 6 hours. I felt the chicken marination to be a bit spicier. To mellow it down, I'll be squeezing half more lime. Then I'll cover it with the cling wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. Now it is the time for grilling. I have taken out the chicken well in advance so that it reaches the room temperature. I'll drizzle a little amount of cooking oil on a grill pan and heat it thoroughly. Then place the marinated chicken leg pieces and grill it on a medium flame till it is thoroughly done. It will take 5 to 8 minutes. This is going to be so damn tasty. You will try it time and again. I have grilled it on the other side. Now it is the time for taking it out and allowing it to rest for few minutes before I serve along with the salad. I'll be slicing cucumbers. Instead of mixing up all the ingredients, I thought of placing the veggies individually. Then I'll halve the cherry tomatoes. I'm using red as well as yellow cherry tomatoes. Then I'll slice the radish. Then I'll grate the purple carrots. You'll be surprised that originally carrots were purple in color. This variety of vegetable is high in antioxidants. Now our chicken platter is ready for relishing. Thank you for watching this recipe. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.